Skyrocketing your click-through rates like a pro. We previously covered email open rates. We mentioned how important they are to get equally good click-through rates. But what are click-through rates? For those not in the know, click-through rates are the number of times that the content in your emails is clicked on. To put it simply, click-through rates are important because they show you how well your subscribers are interacting with the content in your emails. In this video, we are going to show you some nice tricks to skyrocket your click-through rates. Start by creating emails that are consistent with your brand and your website. Creating emails that are consistent with your brand's theme is not complicated. You simply have to add your logo and the feel of your brand all over your emails. This includes the type of images, the content, and the color scheme that you use. You can achieve this consistency in MailZingo by using the Inline Editor, a visual editor for your messages that will give you a nice degree of freedom to customize your emails, allowing you to add your logos, images, links, and color scheme. Likewise, the drag-and-drop email builder on Aweber will give you a lot of options to customize your emails as you wish, giving you the freedom to choose between designing your own emails or using templates to save time. Don't forget to make your emails responsive. There are many people that prefer to open their emails through their mobile devices. In fact, it has been determined that the percentage of emails opened on desktops is 28%, against a whopping 41% of emails opened on mobile devices. Whatever the case, it is important to keep the design of your emails organized, focused, and responsive. Both MailZingo and Aweber give you an advantage because both are built with responsive emails in mind. You just have to keep your emails uncluttered. Try to insert images in all of your emails. Sometimes it doesn't make sense to include images in some of your emails. It is true that your emails have to be as practical with images as well as without them, but you have to try to include images that make sense in the context of your emails as often as possible. This is because images help conversion rates on opened emails. It has been found that emails with images have a click-through rate 41% higher than emails without them. It is pretty easy to insert images in messages created with both MailZingo and Aweber. On MailZingo, the easiest way to insert images is by using editable templates to create emails. It only takes clicking on the images in your template of choice and using the media button to upload an image corresponding to your campaign. On the other hand, Aweber allows you to insert images with a simple button when you choose the drag-and-drop email builder. Simply grab the Image tab, drag it to the email field, and click on Click to edit. Use call-to-action buttons. Call-to-action buttons are very effective bait anywhere on the internet, and they are remarkably effective on promotional emails. Call-to-action buttons are designed to incite people to take action, and they vary on their uses, such as Go to Page or Buy Now. They will work wonders for your email marketing efforts when used correctly. One unbreakable rule when using CTA buttons on emails is that you can only include one CTA button per email to avoid the spam folder. The second unbreakable rule is to use the right placement. Place your CTA buttons on the right side of your content to use the most important focal area in your emails. A nice little trick is to use directional and subtle background cues to make CTA buttons stand out. Examples of this include using a white background for your template and strong, vivid colors for your CTA buttons. One last consideration is to use call-to-action buttons for important links only, and text URLs for less important links. MailZingo allows you to easily adjust the size, color, and background of text on emails, so you can create attention-grabbing call-to-action buttons without much effort when you use templates from the Inline Editor to create your emails. Aweber also allows you to create really cool CTA buttons when you use the drag-and-drop email builder by grabbing the Button tab and dragging it to the email field. You can edit it using the button box that will appear. It's as easy as that.